All right, I created a video and somebody came to my WhatsApp inbox and said, please, Big Benji, I don't even know my page. She said she has more than 60,000 followers on her page, but her page is not getting reach. She's suspecting that maybe she has copyright or some restrictions. Now I'm going to be showing you how to check copyright on your page. Okay, this is to avoid you being held for copyright when you don't even know. And if you know this, please don't dispute. One thing about this is that most people always go and dispute when their videos are claimed, when copyrights are being mentioned on their videos. Some of them will want to dispute. Most of those disputes will never be taken down. So the best thing to do is, whenever you notice that a video has been claimed rights, please just delete. All right, the only thing is to remove that video from your page. That's the only thing that will save you entirely. Don't do things that are going to affect your page for nothing. So hurriedly create content on your own, and also make sure that you avoid musics or videos. Like, for instance, most people get copyrighted with the background music they use. Avoid them in order to keep your page safe and healthy. Please make sure you don't take this information for a joke. Let me show you how you can check if you have any copyrights on your page. Let's go. Okay, this is how we can check copyright on our page. The first thing is to come and you click here. When you click here, you go down, you go to help and support. You click on support inbox, then you see your alerts. You click on your alerts. You see I don't have any violations. If you click here and see violations of copyright, you have to delete. Please don't go with the option of disputing. Okay, unless the person that has claimed rights on your video is somebody you know and can accept you using the sound. Okay, if your page has been monetized, that is where they are going to. If your page has been monetized, then you are going to be held there, but they are going to be cutting. That is to say, part of your money will be going to the person that has claimed right to your video. Now, the next thing you need to check is professional. Go to your professional dashboard. Click here. You come here. You check that your recommendation. Check if your recommendation is okay. My own is okay. This is the second thing you must check on your page on daily basis. All right, first thing is your alert, second thing recommendation. Now you come below here, you'll see let's check page status. Your page status must be good. All right, if your page status is not as good as this, which you see green, then know that you have restrictions. You need to find out where the restrictions is.